Hey guys, my name is Chris, and today we'll learn about audio basics in the Turbo engine. Adding audio can really bring your game to life with atmosphere and emotion. Turbo makes this feature simple so you can make games fast. In order to follow along in this video, make sure you have Turbo installed on its latest release, and at the time of this video, that is 0.7.0. We have videos to help you should you require it. First things first, like always, we're going to initialize some values in our Turbo Init. By the end of this, you should be comfortable starting, stopping, and looping music. To start off, I set up a field music play, which is a bool, and we'll use it to start and stop our music. I've set it to false, and it's already there in the background. So we'll continue on to step 2, which is adding in our audio folder and adding music into that folder. Just like sprites, if you click your project and you go into new folder, you can name a folder audio, which is what it needs to be named in order to fit music into it in Turbo. So if I save that, I can now drag and drop some music into it. That's step 2 done. So really simple stuff so far. Step 3 is going to be adding in play functionality and stop functionality to the music. I also add a little text on screen to see the state of my bool, but this is entirely optional. So I'm going to take my go loop here, and I'm going to paste over it, and now I have my project here. So I'm going to save this, and let's run it and see if it's working properly. And here it is, and if I click A, it should play it. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, so let's recap and go one step further. Step 1 was to add our bool of music play, which you've done right here. I use this bool to start and stop music. You can play music based on an animation, a scene change, or really anything, but here I just wanted to showcase a simple button input. Step 2 was to add our audio folder and put some sound files in it. I put 3 files in it, and at the end of this recap, I'll show you why. Make sure you know what the files are named. In my case, the files are named sleep, song, and boss. And step 3 is updating our go loop to run smoothly. I added in logic to check for if a song is not playing to play, and this effectively loops the song when it ends. I added similar logic to stop the song from playing just in case. Music play is a bool. We added that in and we set it to false. Then I've added in an A input to change that music play from true to false. And then I have conditions on if music play is true, if the audio sleep is not playing, to play it. And if music play is false, if the audio sleep is playing, to stop it. Now, let's try adding in more than one track and add some inputs to change the track while keeping the functionality of playing and stopping the songs. Alright, in order to set this up, I'll need another value initialized, and I'll call it music track, and it will be a U32, so a number. I'll add in another variable, which is just named tracks, and I'll store all the names of the songs in it, so sleep, song, and boss. I'll add left and right input to change that music track, so manipulate that number, and by manipulating that number, it'll change the track, so the name of the track, sleep, song, or boss. The final thing to do in all of that would be if I want to stop the music, not just to stop one song, I need to stop all of the tracks. So let's see how this would work if I add that in. So let's save this and let's run it. So now I have the ability to switch from track to track with the arrow keys, so you can see that number changing in the back. And I still have all the same functionality from before. I'd love to see what you guys come up with using audio in your projects. And if you do have something, you should share it in our Discord. Links will be in the description. And if you liked any of the music that I'm about to play, it was all made on stream at twitch.tv/makegamesfast. All right, let's check this out. So this is boss. All right, let me switch it over. We know this one. This one's sleep. Dude, such a jam. Alright, and this one's song. I love all these tracks. So, Now that you've seen audio being used in a tutorial, let me show you what I've done with audio in my own project. Hey guys, I noticed after I'd finished filming everything that my video froze, so I wanted to show you what I've done with music in my own project, Hanger, which is a simple title music application, which then leads into a different song when you get to the main game loop. So if we start here, we can name our character. And I'll be a drifter, and then when I go past this screen, my music will change. And I am infinitely looping the music, and it's just based off of a screen change, so that's all that happens on my end here. It's nothing impressive, but I have plans to add in more sound effects and whatnot, but that's what I have for now. That's what I have for you today, nerds. I hope this helped, and if it did, drop a like and join our Discord. Let me know in the comments how your projects are coming along, and let me know what videos you'd like to see in the future. Make sure to check out our updated docs at docs.turbo.computer and start making games fast. Turbo!